Hey everyone, this is Paul with United Bumper Repair. In today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be repairing a Lexus 500. This is a three-stage paint. I'm going to be using Spies Hecker to do the repair, and the scratch on the vehicle was it was deep enough where it had to be repainted and it couldn't be buffed out. And this is a later photo I have here just to kind of show you a side panel of what was going on. Very difficult to see the scratch, and the client said, hey, I want it out. It's right in this area here. So we're going to go ahead and get started first by mixing the color. And in my mobile unit, I pretty much carry every color. I can mix any color in the world as long as I have a paint code. I run it in my system and mix it right on site. Now this is how the color looks before I mix it all up. It has copper, red, a little bit of maroon, and just some of the raw colors here. I did mix it up. You can look at the side wall of the cup to kind of see the actual color there. But again, it does not have the three-stage translucent red over top of it yet. So this is how it comes in its own little unit there to the left. And did a spray out card and maybe put 2 coats of the 3-stage on it, and it wasn't red and deep enough from the side angle. And this one here, I shot another 2 coats on it, so I count my coats on the spray out card and then walk up to the car in direct sunlight, look at it from a dead on angle and a side angle to make sure that everything matches as close as possible without having to try to blend everything. It's difficult to do, but I can pull it off. It takes some time. Here I taped up the whole car and kind of masked off the rest of the area and just sanded with 320 grit paper to feather out that scratch to get it ready for primer. Here I do have it primered. The whole panel has been scuffed with 600 grit paper. All of the corners, nooks and crannies are scuffed, ready for painting. Here I've already laid the base coat and the translucent color. It's almost like spraying like jello or red wine. And a finished shot, clear coated, buffed. Not an easy repair, of course, but the repair time took about 3.5 to 4 hours in the client's driveway. Had fun doing the repair. Of course, super cool car. I am a car guy myself. Any questions that you have on this particular repair or any type of paint repair, feel free to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to help you out. If you did want a quote on your damage, just shoot a couple of photos from about 3 or 4 feet away from the damaged area. Text them on over, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.